nobody really knows what is going to make a successful picture. I think that it always has been and always will be that luck plays a major part in any career in any of the arts.
Don't you even want the fortune cookie? Come on, you've got to open your fortune cookie.
Walter is very close to me. He's a wonderful guy, and we get along great, and we work very easily together, and I think the main thing is that we're on the same wavelength. We understand. I know what he's thinking before he even says anything.
You have bitched up my whole life. That's what you've done.
Me?
What a horse's ass I turned out to be falling for a song and dance like that. They'll be naming streets after me.
When I first came out, I played only comedic roles because my first film, being a comedy, that's what I was offered from then on, because that one worked, thank heaven.
I hear you have a movie machine in there.
Huh? Oh, that's right. You play your cards right, I'll show you some fascinating documentaries someday.
Don't do me no favors. Just pay your rent 5 o'clock Fridays. Play no radio after 11. We'll get along fine.
Check.
But as an actor, I felt incomplete until I could get Days of Wine and Roses for a starter, and then finally, after Save the Tiger. But comedy is more difficult to do successfully. It's more difficult to write, more difficult to direct, and certainly more difficult to act successfully.
What do you know about that hotel? Just between us, would you have even a vague idea what they're doing in there?
I have a very definite idea. They're making love.
That's illegal.
Shows you the kind of world we live in. Love is illegal, but not hate.
I think that I have done some good work. I frankly do.